You got that good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high. You give me that good vibe.
So much snow all of a sudden. Now, you're so cute. Oh, yeah, good thing I gave you a bath then. Thanks for shoveling the driveway and getting my car warm, babe.
Of course.
I appreciate you.
Like a foot of snow on it.
So tomorrow I am helping with one of the games for my best friend Robbie's baby shower. So it's diaper bag bingo. So she already has a diaper bag, so she's gonna bring an empty diaper bag. We're gonna fill in of things that might be in a diaper bag. Alright, so that's what we got going for the diaper bag game. Robbie's mom's gonna provide some things to put in there as well. And of course the battery to my camera died, so I gotta get that charged before tomorrow. Alright, got my hair done. Okay, let's go. I'm on balloon duty. And her twins. We're here to celebrate our friend Carly, who just got her match placement for residency. So excited. So now we're gonna go get lunch. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Hi, party people. It's been a while since we've picked up the camera and vlogged. And if you're watching still, thank you. I'm sorry. We're just not super duper exciting people. When I tell you we're not very exciting, saying this is what Caleb does. Today, since the beginning of the vlog, it's been probably 3 weeks. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Got back from the gym and I'm gonna take a shower and maybe put up the hammock and read and bundle up. And then tonight I have a musical I'm going to. I'm going to go see Dear Evan Hansen and I'm super excited. As I get ready for the musical, little change of plans. We are getting some temporary hand-me-down furniture. So we're getting tables and chairs, and we might get that today. I'm gonna go see if Caleb is down to do that. Yeah.
When are you leaving?
Like 5:45.
5:45?
Yeah.
We can do it before then.
Sweet. Yes. Okay. You guys are amazing. Wow, that's a tall table.
It is. That's why you have tall chairs.
That was so good. I loved it. It's a beautiful morning. We got to church and my dad had to park the furthest parking spot away.
There's not.
There's one right there.
I do this when your mom's here, so I get to do it when you're here, because she won't let me park this far away.
There's one right there. Exactly. Well, we did it. Church was great. This is Megan and my dad signing off. Bye.